I'm Wilbur. Welcome to my kitchen. I had to go to a doctor to get a physical to do this job. And the doctor said, so I'm now on the Atkins diet. No carbs for me. Alright, so our ingredients today: cocoa mix. Good for hot cocoa or cold cocoa. It's your cocoa. I'm not going to judge you. Cheese. Now, peanut butter. First thing you do, very important, is to peel the cheese. I use provolone because it's more of a circular. It's more like a bun, and not, they don't cut. They don't. One. Oh, that's not cheese. And 4, because we're always hungry. We're gonna want 2 sandwiches. Get this out of here. There's not a lot in here. You spread it on the cheese. Mmm. That's a little too much. That's good. I should have told this earlier. You do have to refrigerate these, so if you're in a hurry to eat, get in there. The marshmallows, you just sprinkle it on there. Yeah, making the sandwich. Now you're saying Wilbur. Chips. Now, my doctor said no more carbs, but my doctor doesn't have a computer. Now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. Voila! Doesn't that look delicious? Alrighty. Bon appetit! And